Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application and you need to log in into it if you haven't already. Once done, simply tap on the option of accounts here in the bottom. Afterwards, select crypto. Over here, tap on the option of transfer, then select the option of withdraw. Among these options, you need to tap on the option of external wallet. Now tap on the option of this plus icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of wallet address. Over here you need to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to transfer from your crypto.com account, which can be Kronos, Solana, USDT, anything. So let's say I want to transfer USDT. So after selecting your cryptocurrency, you need to select the network. Then you need to provide the wallet address. So in order to get the wallet address, you need to launch your another wallet, which in my case is a Trust Wallet. So here the first thing that you need to do is to simply change the network and make sure that it is on the Ethereum mainnet. Over here, use the search bar in the top right hand corner of the screen and search for Ethereum, because I want to transfer USDT. So you need to search for USDT, that too on the Ethereum network. So once you are here, tap on the option of receive, then copy this address from here and go back to your crypto.com account. Paste the address here in this section, then select the option of wallet name. So the wallet name can be Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet or any other wallet in which you are basically making this transaction. Once done, tap on the option of continue here on the bottom. On the next page, you need to review every detail and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, within 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to receive your crypto from crypto.com to your external wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.